Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at a lovely sunny camp up in North Cumbria and we're going to be showing you this. It's the Starcamp Quick and Easy Air 385 awning and it's by Dorema. So let's have a look at it in more detail. So last year, if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that Dorema asked us to test and trial the Quick and Easy 385 air canopy, and we were really pleased with it. In fact, we still use it. We're going to be taking it away to Holland. Well, this year they've asked us if we wouldn't mind taking a look at the equivalent but the awning, and at first we were a little bit hesitant, but then when we thought about it, and we thought about it very carefully, we realised that Alfie is now quite a big lad. In fact, if you check this picture out here, you'll see how much taller he is than Juliet. So it's like having a third adult with us. And the sun canopy is great when there's just me and Juliet, but maybe an awning might be something that we may be considering in the future. So as a result of that, we said we'd agree to test it. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly show you what's inside the bag, as we always do, and then I'll run through some of the features of the awning and give you my verdict on what I think so far. Dorema supply the Starcamp in an oversized bag, which is handy because we never get it back in the bag the same way it comes out first go. There is a set of instructions, air beam repair kit, a handheld pump with PSI indicator, a set of pegs and ladder ties. Also provided is a draft skirt and wheel arch cover. There are 3 air beam supports and finally the awning itself. So that's what was inside the bag, and I think you'll agree it's quite a comprehensive package for its price point. Now, this was very easy to put up, just like the sun canopy. The only difference being is you've got this front section here. But this front section, surprisingly, when you go inside, shows how big this is. It's quite a large awning considering its size. Now, what I also like about this is this section here. There is a zip on either side, and what you can do, you can roll this up and attach it at the top here with these toggles, and you've got a sun canopy, which I think is a really good idea. So you've got a sun canopy and an awning in one. Again, with the sun canopy and with the awning, it's a single point inflation, and we have this cover that just protects it from the elements. Now, as with the sun canopy, you also get 2 storm straps on either side, and they're detachable. On each side of the awning, close to the roof on either side, there are 2 vents. These can be held open with these Velcro tabs. This is handy as it prevents condensation during cooler weather. So at the moment, the only thing we've got in here is the actual cool box. So if you can hear a whirring noise, that's the cool box, so just ignore it. But again, we've got the additional 3 support beams that come with the kit. And also we've got the rear door and obviously the front door. And you can use either one, or you can use the front, as I explained earlier on. Now, these beams are really solid, nice and sturdy. As with the sun canopy, we've never had an issue with the air beams, and this was quite easy to put up. One thing that you don't get with the sun canopy is curtains, so let's talk about those now. So the curtains inside the air awning are quite simple and very easy to use, really. They're just held on with these toggles and elastic straps here, and if you want to have them open, you just roll them up, attach them to these toggles at the top, and you're good to go. Now, one feature I do like on the awning itself is these draft pads here. They fit snugly against the Caravan and they prevent the drafts from coming in. But you can buy additional poles. These are mine that I brought from home. They're a universal pole, and they just push it a little bit closer and seal off the drafts, which I think is really good. Now, Dorema have supplied with the Starcamp Quick and Easy a draft excluder here, and also one for the wheel arch cover. However, there is no figure of 8 plastic in order for this to attach like so and then fit up here. So I've just used my original one that I've had for a few years, But I suppose you could get yourself a piece of the plastic figure of 8. It's not that expensive, and probably get yourself a couple of suction pads, and it'll hold it to here, and it'll look nice and neat. So at the moment you're in the far corner and I'm in the far corner at this side, and I think you'll agree there's quite a lot of space inside this awning, plenty of room for tables and chairs, and if you wanted to you could even fit yourself in a tent and someone could sleep out here. It's that large, and I'm quite impressed with the size. In fact, I didn't realise how big it was until I obviously inflated it and got it pegged out. But yeah, in terms of its spaciousness, I think it's fantastic and it's going to be very practical. Well folks, that was the Starcamp quick and easy 385 air awning from Dorema. Very simple to put up, very quick, as the title suggests. Very spacious. As you can see, I'm sat here now. We're going to be preparing for lunch soon, so everything's ready to go. Everything's in its place, and there's plenty of room to move around, and you don't feel cramped in here, and that I do like. Now, at the moment you can get this for under 500 quid if you search on the internet, and at that price point I think it's a really good bargain. If you want to know any more about this awning, I will leave a link to Dorema's website so you can check it out for yourself. But thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.